Imagine standing atop the world, peering down from the sky. Welcome to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on Earth. It's an architectural marvel, soaring a whopping 828 meters into the sky. The design, inspired by the spider lily, a regional desert flower, combines Islamic architecture with modern elegance to create an unforgettable skyline silhouette. The Burj Khalifa is not just about height, it's a vertical city that teems with experiences. There are 2 observation decks, at levels 124 and 148, that offer stunning panoramic views of the city. It's like floating in the sky, gazing upon the world below. But the experiences don't stop there. The Burj Khalifa is also home to luxury accommodations and world-class dining. Imagine dining among the clouds at Atmosphere, the world's highest restaurant. The Burj Khalifa, a testament to human achievement and a symbol of Dubai's futuristic vision. From the sky high to the sea level, welcome to Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island paradise. This marvel of human ingenuity, crafted into the shape of a palm tree, is a testament to Dubai's vision and ambition. A place where the impossible becomes possible, where the desert meets the sea in a harmonious blend of nature and technology. Palm Jumeirah is not just an island, it's a world of its own. A world filled with luxury resorts that redefine opulence, pristine beaches that caress the clear blue waters, and entertainment options that cater to every whim and fancy. It's a world where every moment is a celebration of life. The island offers an unparalleled view of the Dubai skyline, a sight to behold as the sun sets and the city lights up, reflecting off the tranquil waters surrounding the Palm Jumeirah, where luxury meets tranquility in the heart of the ocean. Step back in time as we navigate the narrow alleyways of the historic Fahidi District. Here, history whispers from the walls of the traditional wind towers, an ingenious early form of air conditioning, and the rustic sand-colored architecture. These buildings, a stark contrast to Dubai's modern skyline, are a testament to the city's humble beginnings. Nestled within this district, the Dubai Museum houses a treasure trove of exhibits. From ancient artifacts to life-size dioramas, it offers a fascinating glimpse into Dubai's rich cultural heritage, showcasing how a small Bedouin village transformed into a global metropolis. As you wander around, the scent of spices wafting from the local markets will tantalize your senses. Experience the hustle and bustle of traditional Arabian commerce, where you can buy anything from fragrant spices to exquisite textiles and handcrafted jewelry. Fahidi District, a living testament to Dubai's rich past amidst its futuristic present. Join us in our next destination as we continue our journey through the wonders of Dubai. From the traditional to the modern, welcome to the Dubai Mall, the world's largest destination for retail therapy. This sprawling complex is a universe of shopping, leisure and entertainment, sprawling across an incredible 4 million square feet. It's a place where you can lose yourself in a maze of fashion, luxury and culinary delights, with over 1,200 outlets catering to every taste and style. But it's not just about shopping. The Dubai Mall is also home to the mesmerizing Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, where you can come face to face with over 33,000 aquatic animals. From the majestic king crocodile to playful otters and penguins, it's an ocean of discovery right in the heart of the desert city. The mall also offers other entertainment options, like the Olympic-sized Dubai ice rink, the adrenaline-pumping VR park, and the captivating Dubai Fountain. Dubai Mall, where shopping meets leisure in a grand spectacle of modern consumerism. As the sun sets, Dubai transforms into a city of lights. Welcome to the Dubai Marina, the heart of the city's vibrant nightlife. This waterfront promenade, a jewel in Dubai's crown, is lined with an array of fine dining options. Here you can savor global cuisines while soaking in the panoramic views of the marina. The marina is not just about food, it's about lifestyle. Luxury yachts dot the marina, reflecting the city's opulence and grandeur. These vessels, ranging from sleek speedboats to magnificent super yachts, offer a unique perspective of the city. As night deepens, the marina lights up, offering a pulsating nightlife scene. From chic lounges to energetic clubs, there's something for everyone. Amidst the sound of laughter, clinking glasses and soft music, you can feel the city's heartbeat. Dubai Marina, where the city comes to life under the starlit sky. From the cityscape to the desert, embark on an adventure like no other with the Dubai Desert Safari. Switch from the urban jungle to the expansive golden sands, where adventure calls out from every dune. Feel the adrenaline rush as you hop into a robust 4x4, letting the skilled drivers take you on a thrilling ride across the undulating terrains. The desert's rhythm and the 4x4's roar become a harmonious symphony, creating a symphony that's as captivating as the desert itself. But the desert isn't just about thrill, it's a place where tradition meets tranquility. As the sun dips below the horizon, indulge in a sumptuous Arabian feast under a sky filled with stars. A night in the desert is a dance of flavors and emotions, with traditional music, belly dancers, and other desert activities adding to the enchanting evening. Dubai Desert Safari, a thrilling journey into the heart of the Arabian desert. Finally, immerse yourself in a symphony of arts at the Dubai Opera, a stunning architectural marvel. This gem of Dubai is not just an opera house, it's a symbol of the city's commitment to arts and culture. Its unique dhow ship design pays homage to the maritime history of the Emirates, while the state-of-the-art acoustics ensure every note reaches your ears in perfect harmony. Dubai Opera is a versatile venue that hosts a diverse range of performances and events. From spine-tingling operas and energetic ballets to captivating concerts and thought-provoking talks, there's always something that will pique your interest. It's not just about the performances, though. The Dubai Opera also delivers a visual feast. Its breathtaking architecture and design elements are sure to leave you spellbound. Dubai Opera, where culture and artistry come together in a celebration of human creativity. This is where your journey through Dubai's cultural landscape culminates, leaving you with a melody that echoes long after the curtain falls.